Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your account on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website. Now log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials and you will end up within the homepage. Now if you wish to manage your profiles, then click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Edit Profiles. From the Edit Profile menu, click on the profile that you want to edit, and now you will be able to make the changes to this profile. You can change the name, the autoplay settings, background video options, as well as the application language feature. You can also turn on Junior mode if you wish, and also change the content rating settings in order to filter the contents that are available. There is also an option to set up a profile pin, and you can delete this profile if you wish by clicking on the delete profile option at the bottom. If you want to set up a profile picture, click on the edit icon alongside the autoplay option at the right side, and you will be able to set up a profile picture as well. Click on the done button once you're done setting up your profile. And now if you wish to change your account settings, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on account. From the account page, you will be able to change various different settings related to profile creation. Click on Manage with My Disney in order to view additional settings, and you can change your email address as well as password from this page by clicking on the Edit button. You can also click on the Here button at the bottom side, and from here you can change various other settings about your account info. You can click on Update Your Contact Info, and you will be able to update your phone number, your address, your date of birth, and all of your basic information. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to manage your accounts on Disney+. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.